If you spend most of your day taking care of others, then let me tell you, these 10 minutes are just for you. It's time to care for you. This 10-minute routine will help you start your day much more calm and focused so that you can really tackle your day. And if you stick with it over time, you'll notice that you have more energy, you'll be less stressed, and you'll have a feeling of much more control. This isn't just a morning routine, it's 10 minutes of self-love showing up for yourself today. And in the end, taking better care of yourself will help you take better care of others. And what looks like it's only about how you start the day can end up being something of how you start your life. It can be the beginning of a behavioral change. I used to always rush in the morning, and it left me stressed and drained. When I started doing this, things started to change. Now it's my secret weapon for a calm and focused start into the day. Let me share it with you. Please pick a place now where you can have 10 quiet minutes and won't be disturbed. If you want, get yourself a cup of tea or coffee. It's also nice if you want to light a candle for yourself. You could also, if you still have time afterwards, do some journaling. And if you want to journal after our morning routine, you could write about your dreams last night or about the intentions that you have for the day. Let's start with some easy breathing and stretches. I want you to stretch up, also really stepping on your toes. Just imagine you're trying to pick some apples from a really high tree. Stretch yourself both sides. And then stand straight. Next, we're going to do a little turning exercise. And we're going to swing our body gently to the sides, like this. Just the upper body, your hip and legs don't move, they don't turn. And then stand straight. Feel the effect. If you have the feeling you want to wake up your legs more, then you can just stand on your toes and come back down a couple of times. Just come up on your toes. This will activate all the muscles in your legs. And then feel that as well. Roll your shoulders back a couple of times. And then find yourself a nice, comfortable seating position. For the breathing exercise, I'd like to do the recharge triangle, which basically means you breathe in, counting to 3, you hold your breath, counting to 3, and you breathe out, counting to 3. Then you take a relaxed breath in between and start again. Focus on your breath now. And the next breath in, take it a bit deeper, counting 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath, 1, 2, 3, and breathe out, 1, 2, 3. Adjust your counting speed to what feels pleasant for you. And we're going to take 3 breaths like this. And then just breathe naturally, and then feel your breath, your body. Notice the changes in you. And I'd like you to focus on an intention for your day now, a quality that you would like to see in your day, whether it's peace or calm or strength or joy, balance, whatever it is. Choose a quality now, what works best for you. And send it through your body. Feel the quality, feel like it's already here, it's happened, it's implemented immediately. You think of the word, you think of the quality, and here it goes. It just pours into your body. Feel it spreading, lighting you up. You're becoming one with it. And then I'd like to invite you to build a powerful phrase that will guide you throughout the day. I'll give my example for you. I am full of joy. Use your quality and build a sentence in the same way. And then picture it being your guide throughout your day. A self-fulfilling prophecy. And then picture, what will your day look like with this quality? Set the strong and powerful intention that this is what your day is going to be. And if life happens and you get distracted, return to it. Make a conscious choice to stick with it, no matter what. Feel the quality once more in your body and say your power phrase out loud. I'm full of joy. Take a deep breath in and gently open your eyes. Small steps like this little routine can make a huge difference. If you're feeling good now, try again tomorrow. And for an even smoother morning, you could also prepare your clothes for the day the night before, or set your breakfast table the night before. And if you've enjoyed this morning routine with me, please share it with your friends. I have more content in this type coming. If you don't want to miss anything, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.